Sikkim, a very small state in eastern Himalayas, is a big storehouse of natural beauty. Neumael is a name given to Sikkim by its ancient inhabitants, the Lepchas, due to its natural beauty, meaning paradise. Sikkim is a mystical wonderland of natural beauty.
Sikkim overview. Sikkim is the least populous and second smallest among the Indian states. A part of eastern Himalaya, Sikkim is notable for its biodiversity, including alpine and subtropical climates, as well as being a host to Kanchenjunga, the highest peak in India and third highest on earth.
Lifestyle and climate. Just as colorful as the land, as open and warm-hearted are the people of Sikkim. Sikkim's indigenous people include the Lepcha, Bhutia and the Limbu. In contrast to the dominant heterogeneous Nepali population, the state has 5 seasons: winter, summer, spring, autumn and monsoon. The Sikkim's climate ranges from subtropical in the south to tundra in the north.
Topography. The hills of Sikkim mainly consist of gneisses and schist, which weather to produce poor and shallow brown clay soils. The soil is coarse with large concentration of iron oxide. It ranges from neutral to acidic. It lacks in organic and mineral nutrients. This type of soil tends to support evergreen and deciduous forest. The rocks consist of fillets and schist. State's heavy rainfall causes extensive soil erosion and loss of minerals.
Agriculture. The economy of Sikkim is linked with agriculture that serves as the source of livelihood and economic security of sizable native population. It is estimated that over 80% of the rural population depends on agriculture and allied sectors for economic, food and nutritional security. A marginal improvement in the lifestyle of the farmers has been witnessed with the adoption of modern technologies. The march towards organic farming has led to substantial departmental intervention. A large number of initiatives have been taken by the agriculture and horticulture departments.
Sustainable management of resources. The government of Sikkim launched a unique and innovative program called State Green Mission with the view to raise avenue plantation along the roads and beautification of the vacant and wastelands to further reinforce widespread recognition of Sikkim being a green state. Traction. The program is expected to provide benefits like surface runoff discharge and checking erosion in the downhill side, and will also the greenery of this program will also reduce the noise pollution to the neighboring households and attracting flora and fauna like butterflies, squirrels, etc. and provide them with shelter. Sikkim becoming a green state. The mission will also work with the objective to promote tourism as a sustainable and eco-friendly activity in Sikkim.
Attire. Emerging from the ethnic soil of Sikkim and accentuating its culture is the traditional attire known as Kho. As per Bhutia and Bhaku, according to the Nepalese dialect, this attire has a loose appearance, almost like a cloak garment, which needs to be tightened around the neck area and needs to be belted towards the waist portion. The belt is made of either cotton or silk in texture and fabric. Men as well as women add grace to this outfit by adding more elegance and beauty in their own signature styles.
Ornaments and jewelry. Bhutia jewelry consists of many jewelry pieces such as earring called yencho. It represents properties of circles such as area and circumference. Necklace called khao. It represents properties of a square for ornament and semicircle properties for the strap. Gold bangle called biu shows properties of circle like circumference. Ring called joko also shows properties of circle.
Sikkimese cuisine is the cuisine of state of Sikkim, located in northeastern India. Rice is a staple food, and fermented food traditionally constitute a significant portion of the cuisine. Nepalese cuisine is popular as Sikkim is the only state in India with an ethnic Nepali majority. Many restaurants in Sikkim serve various types of Nepali cuisine such as the Neba and Thakali cuisines. Tibetan cuisines has also influenced Sikkimese momos. Sikkimese cuisine momos is the ultimate favorite Tibetan delicacy amongst the people of the state. Not just Sikkim, momos have expanded its base in the entire country as a scrumptious snack served in restaurants as well as street kiosks. For the ones who don't know what a momo is, it's a dumpling made out of flour dough with a filling inside. It is steamed to perfection and served with a spicy mix of sauces and herbs.
Sikkim culture. Sikkim is a beautiful land of manifold tribes and races of people living together. All these diverse tribes and communities have their unique features in addition to their particular dance forms, festivals, languages, culture, and craft forms. The miscellany of ethnic groups, religion, and languages is seen all over Sikkim.
सिक्किम के लोगों के पास अलग अलग धर्म, रिवाजों और रहने वाले लोगों के विभिन्न समुदाय की परंपराओं के साथ एक समृद्ध संस्कृति विरासत है। पारंपरिक सिक्किम भाषा और जनजातीय भाषाओं के अलावा सिक्किम के लोग हिंदी और अंग्रेज़ी जैसी भाषा को भी बोलते हैं। वे आमतौर पर प्रकृति में गर्म और मैत्रीपूर्ण होते हैं। सिक्किम के लोगों में मुखौटा नृत्य बहुत प्रसिद्ध है और वह धार्मिक अवसरों पर मंदिर में भी किया जाता है।
किसी भी धार्मिक त्योहार और अवसरों पर मंदिर के भिक्षु अपने आप को मुखौटों, औपचारिक तलवारों और चमचमाते रत्नों के साथ ढोल और ताल के सींगों की ताल के अनुसार नृत्य करते हैं। सिक्किम के लोग जो बौद्ध धर्म के महायान रूप से अनुसरण करते हैं, सागा दाव का त्यौहार मनाते हैं जो बहुत ही शुभ माना जाता है। इस खास दिन लोग मठों के जाते हैं और मक्खन के दीपक चढ़ाते हैं। भिक्षुओं द्वारा व्यवस्थित जुलूस भी होते हैं और वे पवित्र ग्रंथों को पढ़ने और गाने वाले गैंगटॉक शहर में घूमते हैं। सिक्किम राज्य की रक्षा करने के लिए माने जाने वाले कंचनजंगा पर्वत को धन्यवाद देने के परिमाण स्वरूप फाग लाबसोल का त्यौहार बड़े ही धूमधाम से मनाया जाता है।
भाषा। सिक्किम में कई संप्रदायों के लोग और विभिन्न भाषाएं बोलने वाले लोग रहते हैं। सिक्किम में 11 आधिकारिक भाषाएं हैं, जिनमें नेपाली, मगर, सिक्किमी, तमांग, लिम्बू, लेप्चा, नेवारी, राय, गुरुक, सुनवार और अंग्रेज़ी शामिल है। सभी स्कूलों में अंग्रेज़ी भाषा सिखाई जाती है और सभी सरकारी कागज़ों में भी अंग्रेज़ी भाषा का उपयोग किया जाता है। कला के रूप। सिक्किम में बहुत सारे कला और शिल्प रूप हैं। राज्य के लोगों का बड़ा हिस्सा ग्रामीण क्षेत्र का है और उनकी कई उपयोगी वस्तुएं बनाने की अपनी पुरानी परंपराएं हैं। सिक्किम की सबसे लोकप्रिय हस्तशिल्प वस्तुओं में से एक में चॉपसी टेबल, ऊनी कालीन, कैनवस की दीवार लटकाना, राज्य के विभिन्न पहलुओं पर पेंटिंग का धन्यवाद देना शामिल है। और तो और सिक्किम के पास कई अद्भुत महिला बुनकार भी हैं।
त्योहार। सिक्किम में त्योहार बहुत धूमधाम और शौक के साथ बनाए जाते हैं। कुछ सबसे लोकप्रिय त्योहार जो सिक्किम में उल्लेखनीय हैं वो है लोसोंग, द्रुपका डेशी, बुमचू, सागा दाव, डासिन और फांग लपसोल। सागा दाव एक अद्भुत त्योहार है जो ट्रिपल धन्य देता है।